And this is how you automate and simplify your personal brand management while keeping your calendar and applications and speaking requests organized and handled automatically. Let's dive into step-by-step walkthrough of your personal brand automation. First, go to Automations. Then open Scaling Pack Advanced. In Workflow list, choose number 1, Personal Brand. What this automation does, it books calls and manages your appointments, tracks application and speaking requests, and ensures timely follow-ups and confirmations. Then you need to review these 3 triggers. First, personal calendar appointment, which is here. What it does is auto-manages call confirmations and reminders. One-on-one applications. It processes direct applications for coaching, consulting, and interviews. Speaking requests. It tracks inquiries for speaking and engagement and events. All of these triggers goes to lead tracking and scoring. They will be assigned for engagement score to prioritize high-value leads and reviews the condition logic that branches contacts based on their trigger. Here, you can start branching for maximum efficiency. Each contact follows a specific path based on their entry point. Managing one-on-one application and speaking requests. You can track, categorize, and process applications, assign tasks, and confirm receipt for requests. First step here is contact management. Here, you can tag the contact for easy tracking, update their pipeline stage for organized lead flow, log a Facebook conversion event if applicable, and create a task for your team to review or take action. Of course, you will have a notifications which sends instant confirmation message to the contact and notify your team of the new application or request. Here is a follow-up sequence setup, which is waits 1 day before adding up the lead to your auto follow-up automation. And if you want longer nurture sequence, extend the branch here. Here you can manage your personal calendar appointments. This branch ensures confirmed calls and high show-up rates. First step this automation does in contact management. It tags the contact, updates the pipeline stage, logs a Facebook conversion event, and creates a task for your team. Then it sends a confirmation message to the contact and notifies your team to prepare for the call. And to boost show-up rates, the system sends reminders 1 day before, 1 hour before, and 10 minutes before. And that's it. This is the really simple personal brand automation you can start using today. And see you on the platform.